Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to show you how I make my washing bar soap without a stick blender. So I've got my distilled water here, and this I'm using tallow and palm kernel. So I'll let you know how much I'm using of everything in the description box. So I'm going to use the heat process to melt this, and I have my soda here, so let's push the oil aside and let's work on. So I'm going to add my soda to my distilled water. Make sure you have all your protective gloves, other protective wears on. Make sure there are no pets around, no kids around. And whatever recipe, make sure you've also run it through the lye or soap calculator. Make sure whatever you're doing this to is well ventilated, and everything you will need is also ready. As you can see, I have my molds set up. um I'm hoping to use this small molds, but if it doesn't go well, because I've not been having success with palm kernel oil, it's always traces my soap so fast. So if it traces so fast, I'm going to use this my containers. And as usual, I'm soaping close to a sink so that if I need to wash anything, I can easily wash it out. And I'll be using lemon fragrance oil. I didn't want to scent it, but I just wanted to add little scent to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to wait for my lye solution to cool down, because I'll be using it to melt my oils. So when it's transparent, then I'll add it to my oils, or when all the crystals are well dissolved, then I'll add it. As you can see, everything is well dissolved. So if I want to add it to my oils now, the time is right for me to do so. Okay. So this might trace so fast, or it might be a different story today. So let's hope today's story will be different. I'm doing it in a very small container, but you're allowed to make yours in a big container. As I said, it might trace so fast, and I'll not be adding any colors or anything. So anyway, if you're already part of the family, you are welcome. But if you've not joined us yet, kindly hit the subscribe button to subscribe, and also don't forget to click the notification bell, because I don't want you missing out on any video I release. And also, I love reading your comments. So whether it's a suggestion, whether it's a question, or whatever it is, please leave it below. And if it's a question, I'll get back to you. If it's a suggestion too, I'll take it up and learn from it. So I'm going to stir this up to get it really everything melted. I'm not be using a stick blender, I'm just using my spoon. So it took me like 5 minutes to get everything melted down. Okay, so I have I think I'll be able to use this my baby moths. I've been dying to try with this mold, but anytime it just traces so fast, then I have to use my bigger molds. So I think today is going to be a success story for me. Okay. Oh, there's one little one here. So I use this one for clothes. Really, the color doesn't do anything to the clothes. So, or if you think it's not an option for you to, you can use it for maybe washing plates or maybe your hands or something. So I'm going to add my lemon. It's not much, so but the sense will get through. Make sure it's well incorporated before you pour. So since it's well incorporated, you're going to pour. So I have this left over. I'm going to pour it in here. That's it. So it's been 24 hours and I've molded our washing bars. You see, when we were making it, it was kind of brown, but look at the color now. Just this one goes off. It's kind of more an ivory color. And I wanted to do a test. So this is just tap water. These are normal soap. This one is like 24 hours. So just 24 hours, you can see how bubbly it is. So after the curing process, that's the 4 to 6 weeks, it will be super bubbly. And my skin, it doesn't feel so dry, it's just normal. So if you like this video, kindly hit the like button, and if you've not subscribed yet, kindly join the family, and also don't forget the notification bell, because I always want you to be the first to get the message when I make a new video. And also like reading your comments, so do leave a comment below. Thank you.